Today I'm going to show you how to make iced fairy cakes. For the cakes you will need 115 grams of self-raising flour, 115 grams of margarine or butter, 115 grams of caster sugar, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. To the caster sugar add the margarine and cream until well combined. Then add the eggs, the vanilla extract and the milk and mix until well combined. And then finally add the flour and mix until you have a nice batter formed. Then to a cupcake tray, add fairy cake cases and simply spoon the mixture into each of the cases. Then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 12 to 15 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Then for the icing you will need 150 grams of icing sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and sprinkles for the top. To the icing sugar, add the milk a little bit at a time until it comes together to make a thick paste. It is definitely easier to add milk than try and take away, so do just add it a little bit at a time until you're happy with the consistency. If you do add too much liquid, do just put in a bit more icing sugar to thicken it up, and it should be thick enough to coat the spoon. And then you simply want to spoon and spread the mixture on top of each of the cakes. I do this while the cakes are still warm because it makes the mixture easier to spread, but you can do it when it's cool. And then before the icing sets, simply sprinkle some of the sprinkles on top. And there you have it. That's how you make iced fairy cakes.